Oh, the day after Hurricane Ian, the water's come down about 8 inches. Everybody's house is underwater out here. Some are not. The ones that are higher, but I got lucky. Trees are down everywhere. Power's out here. I have no sewer because my septic system is blocked up from water. But it's getting dark, getting cold.